spotlight has now switched to the rumored first appearance of Apple Inc.'s upcoming iPhone 14 following the global success of the iPhone 13 and its series. The internet went berserk after computer-aided design (CAD) renders of the iPhone 14 Pro Max were published. The iPhone 14 is one of the most eagerly anticipated smartphones in the industry. On Twitter, a user dubbed Shrimp Apple Pro posted CAD renders
of the iPhone 14 Max Pro. On April 4, further details about the phone's interior and exterior were disclosed, and on April 5, more details about the phone's interior and exterior were published. According to the details, the iPhone 14 Pro Max will have a 1.95mm bezel, which is less than the 2.42mm bezel on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Furthermore, the forthcoming phone's earpiece is said to be 0.57mm tall, which is lower than the iPhone 13 Pro Max's 1.52mm. Furthermore, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is expected to measure 78.53mm in length with a side button, 160.71mm in width, and 12.16mm in depth. The distance between the cutouts and the top of the screen on the phone is 2.29mm, while the camera bump's height from the back of the glass to the top is
4.18mm. In addition, the rear camera diameter with a metal ring is believed to be 13.85mm in the iPhone 14 Max Pro, while the diameter without a metal ring is said to be 8.05mm. According to the user, the forthcoming phone would have a backflash diameter of 6.9mm and a LiDAR sensor diameter of 6.5mm. Overall, the iPhone 14 Max Pro's design appears to be comparable to that of its counterparts, the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 Pro models. The leaked blueprints are likewise similar to the description provided by computer enthusiast Max Weinbach. Apple's iPhone 13 and subsequent models have become a success story. The new iPhone 14 variants are expected to be released this year at any time. However, Apple has yet to offer an official description and comment. In relation to past iterations, the iPhone 14 series will be closely scrutinized to see what new features Apple will include. Apple is known for releasing products that include new, unique, and improved features.